Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Mohamed talking about the letter Alif. Let's clear the confusion first. We've got this one, we've got this one. What is this called and what is this called? Clearly we call this Hamza. Hamza. The other one is Alif. Totally Alif. This Alif is different from Hamza as it gets a long sound inside a word. It gets to be when it comes in the middle of the word. When it comes in the beginning, that is way different. And that's what we're going to talk about in making a clear look of this Hamza and Alif. Hamza could come on the waw, on the line after ya. It could come in the middle like that. Hamza also could come on the Alif, under the Alif, on the Alif again, when the Alif is in the middle. All of this is included in the Hamza. On the other hand, this kind of Alif could come in the beginning, in the middle, at the end. How does it look in a word? Let's take an example for each. Let's start with this one. Asad. Sa'ala in the middle. Qara'a at the end, and they are similar, by the way. They are similar in the beginning and at the end. That's how you can see Alif with Hamza. On the other hand, Alif without Hamza looks like this. How do I know that this Alif has got Hamza or not? Actually, you can simply add waw, harful waw. If the sound just moved directly to the third letter, this Alif is without Hamza. Waq, waq, waq. Here, asad, asad. Again, we've got Hamza, we've got Alif. We've got Alif without Hamza, and this is called the lengthening Alif, especially when it comes in the middle. How do I know that this Alif has got Hamza or not? It is simple. Just add waw, harful waw. Waq, waq. If the sound moved to the third letter directly, this Alif hasn't got any Hamza. If it couldn't move to the third letter, so it's Alif with Hamza. That's all for the Alif. We're going to talk a little bit more in the next videos, in the next episodes about Hamza. By the way, it doesn't change in the pronunciation. It's still Hamza, whether it's on the waw, ya, we call it in Arabic nabra, in the middle. Wherever it comes, it's Hamza. What sound does it give? It goes according to the vowel system, which is going to be, for example, qara, waqra, asad, sa'ala. And this will be more clear, inshallah, in the next videos. That's all for the Alif. See you in the next episode.